one of the heart designs, and I will just stamp this. You can wipe the ink which is on the outside and just keep forming your design. I hope you enjoy